Edit her out, Paul. Edit her out.
That's a good outtake. Well, here we are back in the shop, and we're actually doing something a little bit different today, and I'll introduce to this clown in a little bit. But, well, yeah, let's just stop talking and do it. I'm Mike, and this is my car shop.
Working out of a 100-year-old refurbished barn, bringing 35 years of experience to projects considered beyond repair. Vision, creativity, and problem solving are essential tools in this place. Watch as we transform junk into polished metal miracles. This is My Cars Shop.
It's Freud. Mr. Freud. It's for you.
Well, this is my partner of 40 years.
Oh my God. Yeah, pretty close.
Yeah, I don't mean that kind of partner.
No.
He's the drummer. I'm the guitarist, lead singer for that little unknown band called Iron Fist, which you all know because we played on the channel before. So
Yeah.
some of you may recognize him. But anyway, Scott's up for the day, and he's going to give me a hand with a few things here. And I promised shop improvement, and I've been working on that. But I really want to provide some different background in here and get some of this chipboard painted so that it's brighter and lighter and airier and I don't know.
So that it doesn't just look like chipboard.
Yeah, there you go. That's it. So actually, that's what we're going to do. We're going to work on getting some of that done. We just thought we'd share the process with you, and quite frankly, I've been anxious for 2 years probably to actually get him here and get him on the show. So it's about time.
I mean, I came here to work on band stuff, but apparently I'm just going to be put to work in your shop painting, and I'm down with that.
Oh, we got band stuff we'll do too.
Yeah.
All right.
Just give me more. Life's an adventure. You create what's in store. Slipped under the wire. Pass through the fire. Confidence will never cross the line. It's going well. It's all by design. Slipped under the wire.
Hands make short the work, that's for sure. That's for sure. So that's quick. Now we're going to go back behind the Oakland, and we got a little bit of work to take some stuff down, but we'll get that part done, and then we'll be done. We can move on to important stuff like music.
I see the paint spatters all on his glasses and all on my hands. I'm hoping we can keep them off the Oakland.
I think that will not be a problem.
Will it?
There better not be one paint spot on that car, buddy. Okay. So again, we're just gonna take this stuff down and hit this, and then it'll be hit, and it'll be done, and I'm not licking your finger.
No, it's just dusty. You gotta clean in here.
It's a shop.
Oh, you're right. Right.
It's not like we have band readers or anything.
He spent so much time out here, I feel like it's the living room.
Well, you're not wrong. All right, so we're just gonna get this part done, and I think it's gonna look pretty good. Cool.
She walks away as long as
meeting, Scott went ahead and masked that off, so that's done. We're ready to. You're a drummer. What are you doing?
Nah, I'm not gonna make that joke. It's one of those easy softballs. Just a nice low lob. Ah, smack it out of the park. Thank you.
Yeah, very good. So I'll get up there and we'll get started on that.
Just random sticks.
Oh, that's for the mouse trap. It is, and so the mice can run up to the trap.
Remember the game Mousetrap from when we were kids? This is his life. Just like whatever random stuff.
I have a very random life. All right, well, we're going to speed this up.
Oh. I'll be here all week, folks.
There is no restraint, our strategy is free. Just Bloody Mary, mother in high heels. Just Bloody Mary, the terror conceals. Just Bloody Mary, she stalks her prey at night. Bloody Mary, gore is her delight.
I think this man needs a drink. I think we have some tasty beverages to enjoy for the evening, and we're done.
This is definitely not low VOC paint. It is getting I knew. It is getting just a little steamy in here.
It's the shop, and so we're using Rust-Oleum. Go figure.
Go figure. And that took actually the gallon.
Yeah, it's, well, bare plywood, I suppose, or bare chipboard,
Yeah.
sucked it up good. But yeah, it looks great. So
Yeah.
thank you. That's going to make for a nice backdrop, and when we're filming videos and stuff, and that's kind of what it was about. A lot more to do, but this is all I wanted to accomplish today because we got band stuff.
To do.
Furnace is noisy.
And the furnace is noisy for sure.
Okay. So we got our walls all done. Looks more like a shop now than ever. Eventually we're going to catch Scott because he can't back up anymore. You're doing your best Forrest Gump imitation.
Yep.
Good job done. Thank you.
Yeah,
Appreciate
it's-
that.
Painting's easy. I like painting.
I knew you did, and I
Yeah.
thought, because I wasn't up to doing any more work. I burned myself out this week, so this was a fun little
Yeah.
side project to get done. And actually, it's brighter in here. I can't believe how much brighter it
Yeah,
is.
for sure.
So more to come on this, but that's as much as we're going to do right now. We've got band stuff to do, so talk about the band since you're here.
The band is awesome. You should listen to more Iron Fist.
You should listen to all Iron Fist.
See, it's all in the presentation.
Right.
No, we just dropped our spooky tune, Bloody Mary, what, 3 weeks ago?
Yep. 2 weeks before Halloween.
Yep, and we are now hip deep into this year's Fistmas tune, and that's coming along slowly because I have many things that I'm doing, but obviously, so does your Uncle Mike. So, but we'll get there.
Yeah. Well, and the spooky tune hit number 2 on the charts in Canberra, Australia.
Yep.
So that was good. We were very pleased with that. And Bloody Mary will be debuting first Friday in December on Mako Radio.
Not Bloody Mary, the Fistmas tune.
I'm sorry, the Fistmas tune. I don't know. Yeah, Fistmas Christmas it's called, right? We haven't titled it yet? I don't know. I guess we don't. But the Christmas tune, the Fistmas tune, will be airing on Mako Radio in Pennsylvania the first Friday
In December.
in December. So that's
Which is
coming.
like 4 weeks away.
Yeah, well, the song's fairly well done. I mean, we've got all 3 verses done, the break is done, the guitar solo's done, we have rough drum tracks.
Yeah.
So we just got to get the final drum cuts and then just clean it up and
Yeah.
recut stuff. So it's close.
I figure we'll probably do some of that today.
Yep.
Think about harmonies. I don't know. Harmony.
Yeah.
Who needs it?
All right, did you hear the last track I said? Yeah, okay. So we laid some harmonies in. Becky said she's willing to chirp on it for us.
Yep.
That's good.
Good.
So yeah, if you have not, anywhere on social media, you can find us just /Iron Fist Online. That's us. We're not there on YouTube that way yet, but we do have a YouTube channel. And if you go to the featured channels on My Car Shop, it's the first one on the list because I'm kind of partial to that channel.
Yeah.
But there's a lot of good stuff over there as well. So anything else?
Not for me.
Okay. Well, that's going to do it for this episode. If you haven't subscribed, please do that. It's important.
Smash that like button.
Hit that like button. Make a comment. Tell us what you liked, what you didn't like. What other improvements would you like to see in the shop? I've got a whole bunch more bling. I know. He wants a new host for the show.
No, I'm just looking around your 100-year-old barn, and I'm thinking, dang,
Yeah. It's better than the last shop I had. So.
for sure.
Yeah, we're on other social media platforms, the Faceplace and your instant grandmother, /My Car Shop. And I think that'll do it. So we have to end this, especially with you here. We have to end this in the traditional rebel and animal fashion.
Now I feel the night ascending.